and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got not just one but two recipes of making very quick ramen. So you take a normal pack of ready pack of ramen. You can buy any brand you like. You can even use Maggi or super noodles, whatever you have, and make two absolutely delicious ways, different ways of cooking with the same pack of ramen. Now let's get cooking, but before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. You're missing out on all the recipes, guys. Let's get cooking. So I'm gonna add the spice that comes with your ramen. And I'm just gonna grate a nice fat juicy piece of garlic right here. I wouldn't add too much more because we're not cooking it really. That goes in too. And an egg yolk goes in. And a tablespoon of mayo. Just gonna give it a whisk. I've just got some water coming to a boil so that I can cook my ramen in here. Add in the dried vegetables that come. I have no idea what's the point of this, but not wasting anything. And now adding this and cook as per the packet instructions. And while that is cooking for 4 minutes, I'm also going to boil an egg for 6 minutes right here. So the eggs are cooking, the noodles are cooking. I'm just going to chop the whites of the onions and add it to the noodles. I'm going to keep the greens for later. This is going to go in the noodles. And that green part is just to go on top of the noodles when they're ready. So it's been 4 minutes and the noodles are done. It's still got a lot of liquid, which is great, as we would need it. And here is our mixture. So we add a tiny bit of water. And that hot boiling water is going to help cook the yolk. Finishing with spring onions, the greens, lovely bit of chili oil. Some lovely roasted sesame seeds. And some nice pickled ginger. Don't forget that egg. This is going to be soft boiled, hopefully. Kind of didn't timer it, but never mind. Ooh, beautiful. And there it is, the first quick ramen ready. Absolutely smells delicious, was ready in minutes. I can't even say 10 minutes because I don't think it took 10 minutes. Okay, let's say 10 minutes. Let's say 10 minutes. And all the lovely chili oil, the pickled ginger. Ooh, I'm hungry. Toasted sesame. Whoa! Wow! That takes the ready pack ramen to next level. Wow! So much going on here. And of course with these ready packs, there's a lot of heat. It's absolutely gorgeous. But we have got to make another one right now. Let's not eat all of it. I've got the same pan. Let's cook another variation of this ramen. So for this second recipe, I'm going to start a bit differently. First, I'll get one onion. You can use red or white. I'm using red. I want it slightly milder onion. I find red a little bit milder than the white onions you get. Just going to chop this up. And I'm also going to grate a garlic in this. So just a couple of tablespoons of oil. Add the onions and garlic. I don't want it colored or anything. I just want them to soften up. So I'll give it just 3 to 4 minutes. So it's had 3 minutes, and just because, you know, I just cooked the other ramen, I've got some of the leftover greens. You don't have to add it, but I'm just making use of, I'm not wasting anything, so I'm just adding this just to cook it so it can get that spring onion flavor in the oil as well. Adding the spice mix from the packet, also the vegetables from the packet. Now goes in the measured water as says. Now this is, I've just added boiling water, so this should just come to a boil in a second. Make sure you add boiling water at this stage. And then I'm going to throw in the noodles. Give it as long as it says in the packet. While that's cooking, I'm going to quickly prep some eggs. So just going to crack one egg. And you know, in the previous ramen I used an egg yolk, so I've just got the white left. You don't have to add this, but I'm trying not to waste, so I'm adding that egg white as well. Basically you need one egg, a bit of salt, a bit of chili, mix and get it ready. So the noodles are cooked and I am gonna do the last bit. So I've got my egg right here and my noodles here. I am going to stir this with one hand, and with the other I'm going to add the egg, drip the egg. And that's the egg cooked. And yes, you can finish this with chili oil too. And that's it, guys. So this is, I don't know what to call it, like a scrambled egg ramen. I don't know which one's my favorite yet. We'll ask Sia which one's her favorite and I'll tell you which one's my favorite. Oh, you've got to get that scrambled bit in. Yes.
I think I prefer the other one.
So she likes the other one. I think I like this one. So Sia likes that one. I like this one. You guys try it at home and let me know which one do you like. And did you like this video of me sharing 2 quick recipes? If that's a yes, then let me know in the comments and I will share more of such videos. But don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I'll see you guys very soon. That is incredible. No more boring instant noodles.